What's going on, everybody? Brian Cobb here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Give us that thumbs up and hit that bell for notifications. Today, let's talk about hard inquiries. Hard inquiries can bring your credit score down a good 10 points, 20 some points, 30 points, even the worse your credit. What we do is we have a strategy we use. The credit bureaus, once we send in a dispute letter, the credit bureaus use another company to verify your hard inquiries. This company right here holds all inquiries from people trying to get credit. So if they validate it or if they verify it, the credit bureaus will send you something back verified. So what do we need to do? We need to freeze your information with that company. So when the credit bureaus go to the company to verify it, they cannot verify it. They cannot give out your information, and it makes the credit bureaus work even harder to verify this. That's just the one thing that we do for hard inquiries. Now, other things you might have charge-offs, repossessions, late pays, bankruptcy, student loans. We work with these two in different ways. We just don't send letters out. We have a strategy on everything that we do. And you also, when you become a client of ours, first thing is we give you a free credit audit that shows you everything that's on your 3 credit reports and how we can help you. And then if you want to proceed, you get a back office that looks like this and get up to date on the progress of repairing your credit. You'll be able to see your scores, your Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion scores. You also even get to see what are we disputing? What's verified? What's negative? What are we doing next? And anything that we need from you will also be over here in your document sections. Like we'll need a photo ID, a utility bill with proof of address. That way, when we send the letters out for you, they're accompanied by this to show that it's you that is disputing this item. Um, Anyways, we are Credit Repair Rescore. My name is Brian Cobb. Everything that we talk about is in the description below uh, this video. All the links are there. And just message me on Facebook also if you have a question. I'll be glad to get back with you. All right, the back office looks good. That way you can stay up to date on your progress of your credit repairing. And I'll see you on the next video.